Hey guys, good day. This is Jordan again, tuning in for another setup that I believe you're going to love. We're talking about Aussie dollar, for which I'll start from the very top, which is the monthly chart, simply because to give you an overall idea of what I'm seeing and how I'm seeing it for the bigger time frames. So basically, when we speak about the hard time frames, I do believe we're going to see 061. Of course, this has the potential to develop for months, possibly years. As you know, 12 bars are 1 year, so it could take ages. Not really interested in this part, just wanted to give you an overall opinion of where we might be going. Of course, in order to continue lower after the price broke this pattern right here, we got the first breakout pullback continuation lower. Now we have reached this amazing zone and level, and as you can see, we have continuing bullish divergence, which means we're expecting to see pullbacks. What am I doing here? We're expecting to see pullbacks and continuation or something like this. So in the very short term, this divergence is putting bullish pressure regardless of the monthly chart, and then going through the lower time frames, coming finally closer to the intraday charts and the shorter term charts. We go to daily chart, where we can see we have false break number 1 coming with divergence, false break number 2 coming with divergence, and the price is trading inside this channel. Bearish channel, trend line number 1, number 2, creating a buffer zone for us. And my idea here is that since we had these 2 false breaks, since we had these 2 divergences, and we are now creating this amazing bullish candle pattern. Of course, the day is still not finished, but we can clearly see that there is bullish momentum developing at the moment. That gives me the idea that we do have convergence, bullish one, that means pullbacks and continuations up. And daily together with the 4-hour chart starts to make a lot of sense in my opinion. Then we need to drop to the 4-hour chart, where you can see how this thing is developing. There are no signs against yet, and I believe we're going to see something like this, pullbacks and then continuation. So the idea here, in my opinion, the way we can go ahead and trade it is, first of all, find yourself the most recent trend line from the bottoms. Look for hidden divergences, guys. That would be the most validating part, in my opinion, whether on the 1-hour chart or the 4-hour charts. Pullbacks, hidden divergence, bullish hidden divergence, and then looking for continuations to the upside. So that would be all about this setup. Thumbs up if you like it. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of videos. Of course, don't forget you can always join us in our free Telegram group or channel, not sure which one is it exactly, where you can get more ideas for Vladimir, from Vladimir as well, and myself, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy them. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.